Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter install error 0x80070103, then watch this video for the solutions. Now the first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. We can do that by right clicking on the start button, looking for settings, and then we can look for the system and scroll down for troubleshoot. Go to other troubleshooters and we will click run next to the Windows Update so that we can run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, and that should fix the issue. If this doesn't fix the issue, then we can flush the contents of the software distribution folder and the catroot2 folder. We do that by going to disk cleanup. Okay. And then we press on cleanup system files. Click on this and this will remove the contents of the software distribution folder and the catroot2 folder. Press OK, delete files. And another thing we should do is we need to update the drivers. We do that by right clicking on the start button, going to settings, click on Windows Update and go to advanced options, optional updates, and install and update any driver updates that are available here on optional updates. And this error should no longer show, but if it still shows, then you need to uninstall the latest Windows updates. We can do by right clicking on the start button, going to settings, Windows Update, update history, uninstall updates, and then we need to uninstall the updates that are updated after that were installed after after which the error started occurring. So if this, say I installed these updates on the 30th of August, so if this error started occurring on the 30th of August and after that, then I will have to uninstall these updates. I will click on uninstall and I will click on uninstall again, and I will do that for all the updates on August 30th and after that. And the error should disappear. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.